The Parramatta Engineering Innovation Hub Vertical Campus displays sophisticated yet innovative insight into the specific needs of students and commercial partners to create graduates with a global outlook with local links and connection to the community. An in-depth evaluation of the university's 21st century curriculum, disruption, pedagogical transformation agenda was undertaken and accompanied by the application of numerous human-centered design research methods to provide a student commentary on the functionality and performance of the student entranceway, accessed via the ground floor plaza. This laid the groundwork for a design proposal that effectively enhances student engagement and interaction with such a critical element to the impression of the campus within Parramatta's vast urban landscape. After conducting a preliminary assessment of the building's entranceway for its students, the installation of a dual automated sliding door system intriguingly bridges the retail tenancies and activated exterior spaces of the public plaza to the vibrant commercial lobby situated amidst its interior. Unfortunately, its generic nature and isolated location at the plaza's end secludes the entrance from student engagement, as a social study on campus revealed 67% of students who entered the building mistakenly used the corporate lobby revolving doors rather than the supposed student entrance. This has prompted questions to surface surrounding the effectiveness of the entranceway's design for its intended users, being university students, and call upon professionals to propose enhancements that promote healthy levels of human interaction with a blend of efficiency and simplicity from digital aids, aligning with the building's overall aesthetic. The application of several human-centric evaluation methods enabled a paradox to be clearly outlined regarding the lack of student engagement with the entrance doors. Through the assessment and comparison of many perspectives and circumstances, research professionals effectively deconstructed this supposed issue to reveal a heightened level of insight. This information was then correlated with the university's contextual document for the student experience, known as 21C, which recognises that students need more than disciplinary-based knowledge, skills, and training, and require a hybrid set of capacities to help them flourish in a world and future working environment that is uncertain and constantly changing. The utilisation of a journey mapping research scheme allows design professionals to comprehensively see how customer experiences meet customers' expectations and find areas where they need to improve designs. This is evident within Map 1 as the unique expressions of personal experiences, feelings, and thoughts from the perspective of a young university student present a clear outlook for research teams to gather information in an effort to formulate a solution that suits distinctive requirements of the user. The student identifies the grand nature of the building's structure and their own personal interest in the revolving doors on the streetscape. However, was left confused and disorientated as well as frustrated at the need to re-enter the building via the student entrance at the end of the plaza. This correlates with the findings of the previously mentioned survey that stated the student majority face this same issue continuously. In addition, further insights into the human experiences of active members at the Parramatta Engineering Innovation Hub were detailed in a taxonomy, which neatly collates and compares the experiences of the diverse personnel that feature on the building's public life. Researchers are able to facilitate search and discovery in knowledge-driven organisations like those at 6 Hassel Street, driving improved discovery layers including search-related content and personalisation, which basic surveying methods would be unable to express in statistics and figures. As displayed in Map 2, architecture and design and technology students shared vastly similar experiences when accessing the building via the 2 entrance points, believing that the lack of clarity regarding the designated users of each doorway weakened their overall impression on the building, as well as spark unnecessary feelings of stress and confusion when arriving on campus. This was juxtaposed by the hassle-free, welcoming nature of the revolving doors when experienced by a member of the corporate sector within the high-rise, perceiving the commercial lobby to be their own and serve as a representation of their elegance to partners, clients, and the general public. Collating the extensive amounts of data attained within the other comprehensive research methods, the experiences and perspectives expressed in the taxonomy, as well as the journey map, reiterated the desperate need for enhancements to the student entrance at PEIH. The isolated nature of the sliding doors meant students had trouble finding the entrance itself, serving as the foundation for this presentation's design proposal. The installation of a tunnel passage along the exterior ground floor of the vertical campus will consist of bringing forward the sliding doors installed on the building's facade and installing a keycard ID system that aligns with the building's opening hours for students and university members, much like the corporate access. Not only does this allow students to feel more secure, it offers them the opportunity to take initiative and responsibility for their time on campus, a key notion within the university's 21C. The glass glazing that runs along the tunnel's exterior facade allows the students to not simply move in and out of the building, but almost transition between two spaces to feel as if they are moving towards a brighter, technologically advanced future. Most importantly, it eradicates the entrance's seclusion from the exterior facade, instead creating its own form of attraction towards students and WSU members, one that effectively competes with the corporate revolving doors. This would allow students to enhance their overall impression on the designated entrance towards one of intrigue and activation, as design professionals look towards human-centered design within modern architecture.